What this video recording is showing is how you can use the insert derive command to bring all those files together into one document. So here you see I have brought in the middle section of this project, and now I'm moving it into position. It's going to sit on top of this base. We see a few holes for axles and a wheel. So just checking here that it's sitting nicely on top. And now I'm going to go ahead and insert the top section. You'll see me just sort of reviewing the parts here, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the same command from the menu, insert derive, and I will then insert the file on the left side in the data panel that is called cart 3 and cart 4. So I'm bringing all of these separated files into one document, and this is really ultimately what you want to do, is you want to keep the design all in one document. Sometimes it may be necessary to create it in a separate file, particularly if you're working in a global team, right? Across the world, people might be working on different components for the assembly of something, but in our case it's just often one student, one designer, and so you can actually just do the entire design in one file. But if you happen to be in this situation where you have the parts split out in different files, this is the solution for you. You just use the insert derive command that's near the top of the screen there.